Imagine being frozen for 24,000 years, trapped in the Siberian permafrost, since long before the pyramids were built. Even before what we think of as human civilization really got started, the world you knew is gone, replaced by something completely alien. And then one day, you wake up. This isn't the plot of a new sci-fi blockbuster. This is a true story, a mind-blowing discovery from the real world. Scientists in Siberia were drilling deep into the ancient ice, a frozen time capsule, when they found something incredible. It was a tiny, microscopic creature, a Bdelloid, and here's the crazy part. After being in a deep freeze for 24,000 years, it was still alive. So, what exactly is a Bdelloid rotifer? Think of it as one of nature's ultimate survivors. These are multicellular animals, just a fraction of a millimeter long, that you can find in freshwater habitats all over the world. They're famous for their toughness. They can survive drying out, starvation, high levels of radiation, and obviously, being frozen. But 24,000 years. That's a whole new level of extreme. It completely shatters the previous record for this kind of survival. When the researchers brought this ancient rotifer back to the lab, they carefully thawed it out, and to their astonishment, it not only woke up, but it started moving around and even began to reproduce. It created perfect clones of itself. A new generation born from a parent that existed during the Ice Age, when woolly mammoths and saber-toothed cats roamed the earth. This discovery is more than just a cool Rip Van Winkle story from the animal kingdom. It opens up some fascinating questions and possibilities. How did this tiny creature pull it off? Scientists believe it has a remarkable ability to protect its cells and DNA from damage caused by ice crystals. It enters a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis, essentially shutting down all its metabolic processes until conditions are right again. Understanding this mechanism could have huge implications for us. Imagine being able to perfectly preserve human organs for transplantation for years instead of just hours. Or think about the field of cryogenics, the science of preserving life at extremely low temperatures. This little rotifer shows us that long-term survival in a frozen state is, at least in principle, possible. It also changes how we think about the search for life beyond Earth. If a complex animal can survive for millennia frozen in the Siberian permafrost, could similar life forms be hibernating in the ice on Mars or the frozen moons of Jupiter and Saturn? It makes the idea of finding life, even dormant life, in our solar system seem a little less like science fiction and a little more like a real possibility. This rotifer proves that life is incredibly resilient and can persist in environments we once thought were completely inhospitable. From a single-celled organism waking up after 24,000 years to the possibility of extraterrestrial life, it's amazing what we can learn from the tiniest creatures on our own planet. It's a powerful reminder that there are still so many wonders hidden in the world, just waiting to be discovered. What do you think about this incredible story of survival? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the deep freeze, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing stories from the world of science. See you in the next video.